What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Louisiana Outdoorsman. So I'm gonna start here and say that the video you're about to watch is pretty sporadic. It's actually two whole separate days of fishing, two complete times of days of fishing. The first clip, I mean, obviously if I'm telling you this, that the video is already recorded, I know what happened. So the good thing is there's gonna be fish in this video. The bad thing is it's kind of mumbo jumbo, kind of put together. But the first clip you're gonna see is the only clip you're gonna see at night. It's a previous time when me and my wife went fishing Delcambre, and I caught a big black drum. So I figured that'd be a pretty cool fish to put in there as a pretty good fight. So I slapped that in there since it was just a little scrap, and I didn't want to let it go because it was a good fight. But the remaining of the video is me and my wife went out, put umpteenth miles on the motor, trying to find fish, bounce from one place to another. Got reports here, there of redfish and everything else like that. So we gave it a go. Rough time fishing, but we definitely put some fish in the boat and have some good footage for you guys finally, because I know it's been a hot minute since you've seen my face on this camera. So without any delay, I'm gonna let you get to it, and stay tuned and you'll see me yanking on some fish. Hung up on something? That's a fish. Oh, that's a fish the whole time. Peeling some line, boy. God dog. You see how fast it zipped out once I set the hook on him? Like, zipped. It's gotta be a drum. If not, you're right, it's a big catfish, but I'm about 98% sure that's a drum. Come on, bro. He's got the drum head shakes. It's not them big catfish head nods. It's them little quick head shakes.
You need to get the net?
Huh?
Do I need to get the net?
No, I'm gonna try to just get him up close and let him go. My goodness. Feels like he wants to give up.
Huh?
He feels like he wants to give up. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on. Oh, he was almost up to the top. Oh, come on. No. Come on. gotta start. No, no, no. That's a big boy.
You need a net?
That's a big dude. And I mean a big dude. Good Lord. Nice, dude.
Sure?
Yep. Just take the pole. That's a big boy. That's a big boy. He's ready to go back too for as long as I fought him. You ready, bub? Go ahead on, bro. You on. Yep. Redfish, 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 redfish. Huh?
I don't know if it's a redfish. That doesn't look like a redfish tail.
I need the net. Oh no, it came out. Oh no, it's a cluster. Bring them on this side if you need to. That's a shark. Spencer did say they caught 2 sharks. I need to go. Hang on. Bring them on this side.
Which side?
This side.
I told
Wow,
you it was not a redfish tail.
dude, he took off like a redfish. Easy, man. Easy, my guy.
It's a baby shark.
Mm-hmm.
He's not happy. I'll tell you that.
Chill, my guy. Let me get you out.
Be careful. Broke my line.
Got your weight.
Thank you.
Well, that was eventful. We're gonna move off these rocks a little bit. Oh, a shark. I knew the minute you hooked them. I knew the minute. You see him jump?
Yeah.
Dude, that thing jumped out of the water like a bird.
A bird. A plane.
Like a bird. Dude, if he's here eating, the redfish got to be here eating. He's gonna push right under this boat. That's okay. That's best case scenario. That's best case scenario that he gets off because I didn't really want to put my hands next to him. And I just got to retie. That's okay. I just got to retie another one. Ain't much you can do. I mean, he's gonna cut the 50-pound leader with them teeth. At least we've seen what it was.
Yeah.
He was running like a maniac. Well, goddamn. What? Nah, I don't know.
You think I could catch something with that? Let's try.
Sure. There he is. There he is.
Got the good one?
Yep.
Let me get the net.
I wouldn't get the net. Why is he just dead weight?
Right? drum? Like a big black drum?
No, it's not a big black drum because he didn't even run. Big gaff top, you raggedy. No good. No. Let's put him. Easy hoss. You don't act all big and bad now. You wasn't acting all big and bad on the way in there. Give me the, big nasty. For no reason. There's no reason for you to be doing that. You're too big for that. Too big for that. You made my hook all nasty. Yeah. Oh, good one. Good one. Oh my God. I don't think so. I don't think this is a drum. It don't feel like a drum. It didn't act like a drum. It's not really acting like a redfish either. Now it's starting to act like a drum. But not a big one. It's acting weird. It's not acting like a drum at all.
What is it?
I don't know.
Big catfish?
Redfish.
Give me that.
I knew he wasn't acting like a. Good job. What I'm talking about.
We're keeping that.
Alright, I'll clean the redfish. Appreciate it, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. You swallow it, my guy? Nice little, probably, if that's a guess, maybe 20 to 22 inch redfish. I said we wasn't keeping fish, but I'm definitely gonna keep that one for the books. So do me a favor and open up the chest.
Well,
Never mind.
can we keep him?
Why?
No, I'm joking. I need to sleep.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about. That's a plus. God, dog. Dude, he crushed it. It's a good catfish. And I mean, that's a good catfish.
Oh, I got something. Oh.
Had something. Had.
Yeah,
Past tense. That's a good catfish. Appreciate you, my man. We're gonna eat you along with Mr. Redfisher tonight. We're gonna eat you alongside of Mr. Redfisher. There you go. Don't rehook yourself. Don't rehook. There you go. Nice little 2 pound catfish. Guess what? He gonna go with his best friend in the ice chest. There you go, sir. Join you, buddy. Dude, he smoked. That's how every catfish should hit it. He, I mean, just annihilated it. All I have to do is this, just turn my body because the rod was already going. Did I get any bites anymore on there or no? I could always switch it back to bottom. Guess what? That might be another redfish. Oh, maybe not. No, never mind. Listen, I got a little excited. Way too fast. Way too fast. When I seen them start to run out, give me that flipper behind me. I got way too excited too fast. Anytime I see a line start running out, I mean, it's like a nice black drum. But every time I see a line running out like that, I think it's a redfish. Whoa, shouty. Yeah.
I swear to God.
Oh man, it's a catfish. It's a decent one. I tell you what, my friend, I'm a catfish catching some of a gun. Oh man. Come on, bro. I'll put you with your buddy so we can have you for a little sup. Nice little cat. Gonna have him for supper along with his little buddies. Oh, slippery.
You know what? Where are you casting?
Oh, it's so slippery. Catfish or a black drum. Yep. If only it was like probably like 4 or 5 inches longer, you can keep them and eat them. They're good eating this small, but they're not big enough. Yeah. Well, that's that. We're out of shrimps. It's time to take it on back to the house. Alright guys, that's gonna be a wrap on the video. I know this video bounced everywhere from beginning at night to whole another day of fishing, but it has been tough. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. It has been absolutely tough fishing here lately for me. It seems like every time I get reports, I'm just like the slightest bit behind on catching the same I guess production level as the reports I'm getting. So, you know, I'm out there trying. It's not from the lack of trying, I promise you that. There's multiple times that I've made or attempted to make a video and you guys just don't see it because I didn't catch anything or I didn't catch enough to make a video. And so it's definitely not from the lack of trying. I've been getting out there. It's just been tough out here, especially with the heat. The water temperatures are so hot. Even in the bay this morning where we went, the water temps were 89 degrees, which is really high for water that's, you know, moving around, has, you know, tides that draw it in and out. It's just that sun's beating on that water all day long. But maybe I'll get a crabbing video here shortly, or maybe try to do some brim fishing. I don't know, because unless I get a report and it's steaming hot and I go the same day I get it, and I might be able to catch something there. But I'm glad you guys are sticking with me through these tough times of not having many videos put out. I'm definitely not giving up. I'm definitely gonna keep putting the videos out and everything like that. So stay with me and stay tuned and come back for another episode of Louisiana Outdoorsman.